Watch videos. Sorry about the intro. Not
The
copyright.
National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a tornado warning for southeastern
that's
West
loud.
County in south central Texas until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
What about October
At 8:40 p.m.
31st?
Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Aguilar's, or 22 miles east of Laredo, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation.
All the captures a piece of jerk sense.
Without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roof, windows, and vehicles
Excuse
will
me.
occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Boylton and Mirando City around 9:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now.
This is the part where he gets hiccups. It'll be really funny. Well, I can't hear the sounds because of the tornado warning.
If you are outdoors in a mobile home,
And it's also copyrighted too. But I'm just doing this. It's just a speaker.
Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado.
Some copyright strikes in this part, but whatever. And here goes later.